Hello traders, it's John from Wizdough. Today we're going to unlock the power of the WiSE indicator. That's the Wizdough Second Entry indicator. In this tutorial you will learn how to incorporate the WiSE indicator into an ATM strategy. And I assure you it's straightforward. By the end of this video you will be equipped with an understanding that will empower your trading. The link to the source code is in the description. Let's get started. So first of all, we open Strategy Builder. And here we go to the very end to add a new condition. We select our indicator, WiSE. Pick the signal we are looking for. Will it be second entry long? And the condition will be not equal 0. Now we can unlock the code. We're gonna use sample ATM strategy as a template. We just need to slightly modify using the generated code we just made. So we add here now we copy a few lines, the declaration, initiation, and also our condition. We replace the existing condition in this ATM strategy. Now we can remove the generated code. We need to rename the new strategy. We'll use new name WiSE ATM strategy. We need to comment these two lines. By default, the strategy is making limit entry and we want to change it to market. Currently the market price is 0, so we change it to close to 0. That's it. Now we can compile it. Okay, no errors. And the last thing is rename the file. We need to close it before rename it. Okay, it's done. Now let's test it. We will test it on playback connection mode. You need to make sure you have the data or download it. Let's add the indicator. Add the strategy to the chart. Okay, now enable the strategy. And start the playback. Let's make it a little bit faster. We've got the entry, but it seems like the second entry is not actually formed. So the reason why it happened is because we're looking at the same bar, which was not closed, and there can be signals connected to the potential or confirmed second entry. So we need to look back one bar ago. So let's set it in our code, compile and try again. So reset the playback, and also we need to refresh the chart. It seems like we have it right in time. And that wraps it up, traders. You have now learned how to use the WiSE indicator in an ATM strategy. You can download the source code by the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Keep trading wisely.